Hey YouTubers, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to be showing you how to replace or put back a closet door. But before we get started, make sure you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so we are looking at a closet door that came off the track, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to actually put it back. But before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this top part here. Make sure you, well, not every closet door is going to look like this, I guess, but I guess every single one that I've had kind of looks like this. This roller here actually pushes down, and then you also have another one here that pushes down. The bottom part, there's one little bolt down there that doesn't actually push down, and I guess I'll show you that real quick. Hold. Okay, this is the actual bottom portion of the closet door that has to go into this railing. So it's going to sit in this railing, and then the top part here is going to fit right up in here. So you saw how that kind of the top bolt actually could retract and all that stuff. So we're going to go ahead and put that in. Okay, so you'll notice that the top little wheel here was positioned on the inside, and so is that other piece positioned on the inside of the closet. First, I'm going to put that little bolt, bottom bolt, into that little rail first because it doesn't retract or anything. So I'm going to try to get that fixed piece in there and then go ahead and put the top pieces in. Okay, so I put the bottom piece in, and now I'm trying to get this top piece lined up so pop into the hole. Kind of hard to do it while I'm holding the camera, and I don't think I got it. Sometimes you have to just pull the bolt back and just try to reposition. There we go. Heard that snap in, and now I've got the top and the bottom. Now I just need to get this wheel lined up with the railing, and remember this one also can retract. So I pushed it down and it fits into the railing, and right now my closet door is back on track. Alright, so make sure you put the fixed piece in, which would be the bottom first, then push down on the top bolt, set that in there, and then put the wheel in there last. Alright, so that would be it. Super simple. Have a great day. Hope you learned something.